This is Giri Shankar. I'm a recently qualified CPA. I'm based out at Cochin. I'm a chartered accountant as well. I have a experience of 10 years. I'm heading the Cochin branch of my firm called Ranjit Karthikeyan Associates. So I was handling the overall operations of Cochin branch. I am a qualified chartered accountant. I qualified 10 years back. So there was a need to, have an upgrade of the skill sets and things like that. That was a few reasons why I chose CPA. Probably stick to one material because I believe Miles covers most of the area. So probably stick to one material. Practice the MCQs at least twice and don't get disheartened. One of the most important thing is set timers while solving the MCQs. It's okay if you overshoot the time, but then set the timers. If you're taking 30 questions, put about 40 to 50 minutes and solve the MCQs within that time. Always set a timer because that programs your brain. So that would be my tips. CPA matlab miles.